Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to erase the basically it's a factory default, restore the factory default and Arista DCS-7060-CX2. So as we can see right here, there is a password on the unit, so I don't know the password, so I need to erase everything. I don't need to back up any running configuration on the unit. So basically I just need to factory default. So the quick way to do that is just erase the startup config file. So let me reset the unit. I need to go back to the shell, and from there I will show you how to erase that file. So we power cycle the unit, and over here you need to press Ctrl C to go to the shell, right there. So right here you go to that to one particular directory, cd-mnt.flash ls, and we need to erase this one, startup config, basically rm startup config. That's it. ls reboot, and that will reboot the unit with no configuration at all. So right here guys, as we can see, the unit complete reboot with no configuration. So let's check admin. There we go. Show version. That's the Arista model number right here, and this is the software image, the operating system, the EOS, and show inventory. Show system environment all. See, we can see there is one power supply which is not connected. Let me see if I can connect it right now, just to make sure that works. Because sometimes can be a defective power supply or a defective fan. Of course, it's always very important to check that, and always check if the unit there is not an overheating, due to any hardware failure. We can see everything is good. See, four fans, 2 power supply 500 watts right here. So that will be all in this video guys, and again, if you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and co-workers, and I see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.